Malik, I'd also like to come across to you now. What does this mean for, the Indian contingent getting this bronze? Because this time, even when you compare it to Tokyo, we've had, our share of disappointments, especially at the back of what happened with Vinesh just yesterday. Something to cheer for the entire country, isn't it?
Yes, I think we needed today's win because the nation needed to smile, needed to cheer up, needed to get over the setbacks that we have had so far and get ready for our next medal that we are looking at. And Neeraj is going to play today. So congratulations to Team Hockey for giving us this moment of joy. I represent the entire fraternity of para sports, and from every para athlete and everybody from the Paralympic India, I congratulate the team. Shrijesh is a good friend, feels so happy. What a way to hang his spurs. It's such a beautiful moment. And Sarpanch Sahab, jitna bole utna kam. I mean, what a game. And this has been such an interesting match. One has watched every ball, everything. Was a little nervous towards the end because the Spain team became very offensive, and the two penalty corners back to back in the last 2 minutes got us worried. But I think we won the medal, and that calls for a huge celebration and congratulations.
Absolutely, Dr. Deepa Malik. Also here you were mentioning about how nervous those last couple of minutes were, and we've seen, of course, matches change towards the last few minutes, and that exactly happened in our match with Germany. And many of the panelists here were saying that India this time, the way they played, looked like they were good for gold. But if you could take us through, you've of course probably seen all of the matches or most of them. What do you think are the biggest takeaways here for the team?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Go ahead.
Hello,
Dr. Malik, I can hear you. Go ahead.
I'm getting different voices in between. Can you hear me?
Okay. No, yes, Dr. Malik, I can hear you. I was asking you about what do you think are the biggest takeaways for Team India, considering, you were just talking about how the last few minutes were a little tricky. But do you think that they did well, keeping up the pressure on the opponents even through the last few minutes? What did they do right this time?
I think that is a great takeaway, not just, when we talk about and we appreciate the team, but it's a great takeaway for every athlete who's going to participate. And especially now that Paralympics are going to follow, that how to handle pressure, how to play, how to keep your cool, how to, be there in the game till the last second and not to give up. For example, even my medal, when I had won it on the 6th throw. The final throw was my, the winning throw, which put me on the silver medal. So never give up till the end. And that's what the sports teaches us. And I'm sure this is the spirit Vinesh is going to carry forward. I know she's upset at the moment, but this win is going to bring some hope in her. Not to give up. We all love her. And as soon as she's back, we all are going to motivate her back. I think that's a takeaway I'm going to take from this win to Vinesh, not to give up till the end. And a medal hope should never be lost. Never be lost.
Absolutely. And, reactions are pouring in now from across the country. We've just heard from the Defence Minister congratulating Team India on that stupendous victory. They're getting home bronze.